Good morning, students. Till today, we have completed these topics from the chapter. First is introduction to 5-digit numbers, then place value chart, then we have studied about place value and phase value and their difference. Then we have studied writing how to write a number name from a given number. Then we have studied about standard form of a number and expanded form of a number. Now we will start a new topic, that is forming, comparing and ordering numbers. At first we will start with forming. So let's say we have to form 4-digit numbers using the digits 4, 5, 7 and 8, and we can use each digit only once. So first of all, we have to make a place value chart and then we will arrange these numbers on them. So here is the place value chart. We will write it here: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now we will start filling these blanks with these digits. Let's see how. Let's make 4. Let's take 4 at first and we will put 4 at 1000 place. Then 5, 7, 8. Now again we can keep the 4 here. We can keep 5 under 100 place and we can interchange these. So this is 4587. Now we can again keep 4 in 1000 place and we can shift 7 over here and 5 and 8. So this is again a 4-digit number with these digits. This is 4758. Next will be 4785. Then 4875 and next 4857. So this is how we can form many 4-digit numbers with these digits if we arrange them in different ways. So this is one way where we have kept 4 in the 1000 place and we have interchanged these digits among themselves. Now let's see one more type where we can put 5 in the 1000 place and the rest of the digits we will interchange. See here in this place value chart, we have kept the digit 5 in the 1000 place and then we have interchanged these digits and we got so many 4-digit numbers. Here we have kept the digit 7 under the 1000 place and we have interchanged the rest of the digits and we have changed their places. Students, from the given digits we can see that in the first place value chart we have kept 4 in the 1000 place. Then in the second place value chart we have kept 5 in the 1000 place. In the third place value chart we have kept 7 in the 1000 place, and here in the fourth place value chart we have kept 8 at the 1000 place, and the rest of the digits we have interchanged among themselves. Their place values have changed. Like this we can form at least 24-digit numbers from the given digits. So this is how, with the help of place value chart, we can form different digits with 4-digit numbers. So we can say that we can form 24 4-digit numbers using the digits 4, 5, 7 and 8 with the help of our place value chart. Now let's move to the next topic, that is comparing. Let's suppose we have been given 2 numbers and we have to compare them. We have to tell which one is greater than the other. Like here in A, we have been given that we have to compare these two 4-digit numbers. So for this, again we have to draw a place value chart and we will put these value in it. Here is our place value chart. Now one by one we will start putting the values. This is 4539 and this is 6274. Now we will start comparing from this 1000 place. We can see that here this is 4 and this is 6. Naturally 6 is greater than 4. That means 6274 is greater than 4539. Also we can say that 4539 is smaller than 6274. Now here one more question we have, where we have to compare three 4-digit numbers. Then again we have to make a place value chart and we will put each values one by one and then we will compare. So here is our place value chart and let's begin with the first number, that is 5307. And likewise we have put this value also in this place value chart, that is 3614, and the third one is 5351. Now we will compare one by one. Let's start with this place. See, here we have got 5 and here we have 3. So naturally 3 is less than 5. That is, out of these three digits we have our smallest one, that is the 3614. This is the smallest one. Now let's see the next. This is let's go for the 100 place. Here we have got 3. Here also it's 3. So we cannot figure it out from this place which out of 5307 and 5351 which one is bigger. Now let's move to the tens place. Here we can see that we have got 0 here and we have got 5 here. So it's become very clear from this step that 5351 is greater than 5307. So now we can we have compared them and we can write it like this. So this is how we can write it. That is 3614 is the least one. Then comes 5307, that is the middle one, and the bigger number is 5351. This is how we compare different numbers. Now if we write the numbers like this in this way, that is the increasing order, this will be our smallest number among the three. And if we write it in this manner, that is in the decreasing order, then the first digit that the first number that we are getting will be the greatest number. So this is how after comparing we order different numbers. So till now we have studied forming, comparing and ordering digit. See, the basic concept of forming, comparing and ordering is to go back to the place value chart. First we have to draw a place value chart and put the numbers in it, and then we have to compare and order.